Ergo-DEX will rebrand to Spectrum, and they will also announce some exciting news, but let's start from the beginning to understand first what this is about. Ergo is a proof-of-work smart contract blockchain exactly like Bitcoin or Ethereum. However, it has also something in common with Cardano blockchain. They use the same transactional UTXO module, which stands for Extended Unspent Transactions Output. If you don't know what this is, this basically refers to the amount of cryptocurrency that remains after a transaction has been completed. This transactions module has been developed by IOHK. IOHK, or Input Output Hong Kong, is the team that stands behind Cardano's development. Ergo, because it uses the same module, it is fully compatible with Cardano, and it is the so-called proof-of-work next-generation smart contract platform. This network ensures the economic freedom of ordinary people through secure, accessible, and decentralized financial tools. Bitcoin and Ethereum's proof-of-work blockchain are more expensive to secure. Ergo's blockchain is much cheaper. To secure its proof-of-work mechanism, you don't need high energy. Anyone can be a minor node and validate transactions with just a 25 GB storage PC. Ergo-DEX is a decentralized exchange built on the Ergo blockchain, and not only, its development started back in 2017 and it launched in 2019 by its founder Alex Chepernoy. The team behind this project is built by experienced developers that have been in the space for many years. They are working in parallel on the development of the Cardano implementation and on the development on Ergo's network, but we will cover this shortly more in details. Alex is a Chainlink co-founder and a Cardano researcher. In many occasions, Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, has shown confidence and trust in the Ergo team to deliver a good working product. Interesting to know that Charles owns Ergo Coin as part of its limited portfolio, which also includes ADA and Bitcoin only. In a few interviews, Charles has also defined Alex as one of the smartest guys in the blockchain industry. Ergo blockchain has a partnership with Emurgo, which is the commercial arm of Cardano. Emurgo supports the Ergo coin on the Cardano Zure wallet, making it a multi-asset wallet. Ergo, from August 2021, is building a non-custodial, decentralized exchange called Ergo-DEX with Cardano's Project Catalyst funds. This allows a quick, effortless, and secure transfer of liquidity between the Ergo and Cardano networks. Project Catalyst is a series of experiments which seeks to generate the highest levels of community innovation. Catalyst is bringing on-chain governance to the Cardano blockchain by allowing the community to self-determine priorities for growth. Project Catalyst is divided into a series of funds which are deployed every 6 weeks. These funds will elicit ideas in the form of proposals from participants. They won the fund in August 2021 as the community voted to fund them, and now they are again participating to the Catalyst Fund 9. Before we continue, I just want to clarify something that you might have forgotten. We only do educational entertainment, and my job here it is not to be your financial advisor. So please do your own researches before investing. Ergo-DEX was designed with 3 core principles: decentralization, security, and transparency. First of all, Ergo-DEX does not have their own token like other centralized or decentralized exchanges do, for example Binance or Uniswap on Ethereum. The first phase of this project was to launch a fully automated market maker, decentralized exchange on the Ergo blockchain. This means that it would work with liquidity providers' pools, which will allow to exchange tokens in an algorithmic, automatic manner like any other decentralized exchange. However, this is just the first phase as they aim to bring further extra solutions. This was the first EUTXO module fully working decentralized exchange, as they launched it before Cardano launched their first decentralized exchange with the same module. Since it has successfully launched, the community grew significantly. So did the total value, locked to reach over $3 million initially. It then declined in the last months. The next phase was to build a cross-chain bridge between Ergo and Cardano blockchain. They launched it on the Cardano testnet at the beginning of April, and even if not specified when, they will launch on the mainnet in the near future. This will allow the 2 blockchains to share the liquidity and basically be fully interoperable. Ergo-DEX has something unique compared to other decentralized exchanges. First of all, when transactions are submitted on the blockchain, these in automatic will find the match orders off-chain. Bots off-chain will find the match and will approve these swaps. During this process, the transactions block is built and it gets committed to the on-chain data. Thanks to this mechanism, the double spending is voided as it will not process the payment if the transaction is not confirmed. On the other side, for example, on the Ethereum network, even if the transaction fails, you still lose the fees. Second important Ergo-DEX feature is that the transaction fees are paid in native assets. This means that on the Cardano blockchain, they will be paid in ADA coins. On the other side, on the Ergo blockchain, the transaction fees will be paid in Ergo coins. As mentioned before, Ergo-DEX doesn't have its own token, and the protocol's fees when a swap is made are deducted from the pools in the tokens that the swap is getting executed. An other interesting feature that Ergo-DEX offers is the decentralized order book. This basically allows you to select at what price you want to buy or sell your tokens, voiding that the decentralized exchange slippage is too high, making the trade less profitable. There is then the swap section, which execute at the best market price possible. However, keep in mind that this is usually not that convenient for the high percent slippage, especially for small market cap tokens. Lastly, for who provides liquidity in different pools and makes the decentralized exchange work. There are different good rewards which you can earn from different pools on both Ergo and Cardano blockchain. On every decentralized exchange, usually there is the IDO feature, which stands for Initial DEX Offering. This consists of creating a liquidity pool with a new token where users can swap or buy for other coins at lower prices. This usually takes place when new projects are launching their tokens, and this allows them to quickly raise capital at an initial phase by selling their tokens at low prices. For example, a project creates this pool with a certain amount of their new token inside. Who wants to participate will have to basically give their funds in exchange for this new tokens. The problem that occurs with this is usually that there is the risk of rug pulls and scams. Here it comes Ergo-DEX with another extra feature and solution to this problem. The Ergo-DEX model provides a more sophisticated decentralized model with complex features such as partial filling support and buyback support during and after initial DEX offerings. This allows a more secure initial DEX offering because it adds an extra layer of security to protect the buyers from these kind of issues. Specifically, this buybacks will basically be encoded, so the funds will be released with a time frame, and the buyer has the opportunity to get out with a minimal loss. In regards to this, they have also implemented a liquidity locking feature. This means that after the user deposits its funds to buy the new token, these funds will be locked and cannot be withdrawn for a certain period of time, which voids rug pulls. A rug pull occurs when all the liquidity is removed at once by the creator of the pool of the new token, making the price collapse and making the users that were trying to buy the new token lose all their money. This mechanism allows the founders of the new project with the token pool to lock these funds for a certain period of time. On the other side, who wants to swap their token for the new token can see which amount is locked and for how long. This mechanism creates reciprocal trust for founders and investors and will give a first-class platform for initial DEX offering. The main goal of this is to provide a safe platform for both new projects, founders, and investors. Ergo-DEX not only has a partnership with Emurgo, the commercial arm of Cardano, one of the biggest blockchain in cryptocurrency industry, but they also established some further partnerships. In December 2021, they partnered with Genius Yield, an automated yield optimization algorithm developer and DEX aggregator on the Cardano blockchain. Genius Yield has the main goal of educating always more people about DeFi in a simple manner with its solutions to drive mass adoption. They both agreed to do a token swap to support liquidity on different platforms. This means that when Ergo-DEX will launch on the Cardano network, they will support their token, as well as Genius Yield supports the Ergo coin. They then partnered with Matrix Swap, which is a decentralized swaps trading protocol deployed on the Polkadot, Cardano, and Polygon blockchain. Unlike traditional automated market makers, on this platform users can long or short any assets with up to 25x leverage as the platform offers infinite on-chain liquidity. While most decentralized derivative trading platforms face liquidity concerns because they need always more users to deposit and provide liquidity on different tokens to function. This collaboration will guarantee an exchange of knowledge in terms of cross-chain technologies, as well as this will be a collaborative research for a better DeFi future. I think Ergo is a great project, and so will be their Ergo-DEX or Spectrum. Once fully functional, their main goal is to open further cross-chain allowance and unlock liquidity potential with the Cardano blockchain. It is also positive that Cardano's Project Catalyst showed support to the Ergo team, allowing them to build the cross-chain decentralized exchange. In my opinion, Ergo-DEX has a bright future ahead, and the fact that they are not creating a further token shows how the focus is on creating a well-functioned, decentralized exchange only without profiting from it. If you want to stay up to date with the development of Ergo-DEX, you can read their articles on Medium, or you can follow them on Twitter, where they have a large community of over 40,000 following them and daily interacting with the news and announcements they release, or subscribe to my channel to have a chance to win Bitcoin from this channel's profits and get updates on this and other similar projects.